I think I thought about them a lot more earlier in my career. And what's interesting is that, a lot of time the heartburn was around companies that I perceived to be doing really well, and then, maybe went a different direction. But there are plenty that, of course, if I could go back in time and make a different decision, I would. But I think the thesis orientation helps because, there's kind of a process and a method around like what I'm saying yes to versus what I'm not. And I don't always pick the right company, right? But like I think that, if I feel like I picked the right space, like that helps. I think that the other thing that I've done to sort of, or that we've done, which also helps, is that we launched a growth fund, as I mentioned, a couple years back, and it enables us to go back to the companies where maybe we should have said yes and invest. So as an example, I mean, one that sticks out to me, and it wasn't exactly a pass, but I didn't get there quickly enough, as I should have. Was Plaid. Like I was meeting them just as they got their term sheet for the A. And so, what was nice though, is obviously I'm very, interconnected as a result of all of my companies, for a very long time, being Plaid customers and ended up in one of their later stage rounds investing. So, there are ways to kind of, account for that, I guess. But at the end of the day, like, it's a portfolio game, and as long as you invest in a couple of them that really, have the outsized performance, like I think it doesn't matter who you are. Like the best investors, all of us have significant anti-portfolios, right? I mean, a lot of people made comments to me around Chime about regret on that one, again, because it was like so widely seen, and but at the end of the day, you just have to kind of have a balanced perspective on what's there and what's not there, and be grateful for the right decisions that you made, and take the learnings from the wrong ones.